What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV. Have you broken DJI O3 air units like I have? I haven't broken an exorbitant number. I've only broken 3 this year, which is fairly normal for the amount of shit that I tear up. But I shipped one off to DJI, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about my experience. I shipped one off that was like this. It looks fine. There's no physical damage that you can see, but you plug it in, it just gets hot as hell. No lights. It will respond to USB, but no lights. So it's fucked up and won't fly anymore. So I shipped it off to DJI about a month and a half ago, and they took my air unit and told me that they would fix it for $166. Now, if you buy just an air unit by itself with no antennas and no camera, it's $169. So fuck you, DJI. Offering me $3 off to ship me a refurbished unit. That's some bullshit right there. So I told them that was bullshit. Told them send me my air unit back broken. I'll take it. I'll find a way to fix it. Then rather that than pay you for a whole new one. So then they offered me 20% off. So now they've got me down to where I'm almost to the refurbished price, and they're still offering me a refurbished unit. And I was like, fuck you guys again. That's still bullshit. Again, send my shit back to me, because I don't want you to fucking fix it for that price. That's bullshit. So I tried again and said, hey, can you do something better for me? And they came back and they said, okay, we'll fix it for $100, $99. I'm like, okay, fix it. So the one they just had, they've had it now about a month, and I've paid the bill, and they said they fixed it today. So I'm getting a new one in the mail. I'm betting you money it's a fucking refurb. And I'm putting a little mark on these before I ship them out, just so I can tell if they're refurbs or not, or if they actually fix my unit. But we'll see how it goes. I get that one in hand. I might ship this one off. This one is, again, also in mint condition, looks like, but got some kind of internal problem. They said the core board was the issue, and that's why it cost so much to repair. But they also told me that the core board was over $105 by itself, and that the repair was $65, and now they're doing the whole repair for $99, so they're fucking liars. Just want to share my experience, because I think a lot of people don't realize that there is a repair option for these. You should not take an offer that's not good, because they will offer you some bullshit, like trying to fucking make you pay full price for this unit that you ship back. I'm like, dude, I'll pay full price for a unit, but not if I gotta send you the broken one. That's fucking wrong, bro. You can't be treating the people of the community this way. You gotta take care of us. We break shit. That's part of what we do, and you gotta be ready for that. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, let you know if I actually do get a new one in the mail and if it's refurbed or what. But the saga of DJI continues.